To download Age of History 3 on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, a platform that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by searching for Steam on Google, and then click on the link that says "Welcome to Steam" at store.steampowered.com. Once on the website, click Install Steam at the top middle of the screen. Select your platform, and click Install Steam again. For most users, the platform will be Windows. After the Steam setup has downloaded, click on it to open the installation process. Click Next. Select your language, and choose the destination folder for the installation. This can be left as is or changed if desired. Then, click Install, and Steam will be installed on your computer. After installation, open the Steam app, and you will be prompted to either create an account or log in. If you don't have an account, creating one is straightforward and will guide you through the process. Once logged in, you should see the Steam store. If not, click on Store to access it. In the store, go to the search box on the right and type in Age of History. And then click on Age of History 3 inches when it appears. On the games page, click Buy Age of History 3, and then Add to Cart. Select if the purchase is for yourself or as a gift, and then proceed to payment. Choose your payment method from the drop-down menu, and complete the checkout process to buy the game. Once the game is purchased, it will be added to your Steam library. To find it, click on Library at the top left. Select Games, and you will see Age of History 3. Click on the game, and then click the Install button. You will be asked if you want to create a desktop or start menu shortcut, and which drive you want to install the game on. After making these selections, click Install to start downloading the game to your computer. When the download is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and the Install button will turn into a green Play button. Click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.